This is not a pretty machine. It's a 62-inch top and bottom glue spreader. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This is an ugly glue spreader. We can't hide that fact. However, if you're on a budget, the top roll is in very good condition with the exception of the left 1.5 inches. That shows some wear. The lower roll is in good minus condition. It also has wear to the left as well, along with some other blemishes along the roll. However, this is a usable glue spreader, again for the budget-minded person. It's powered by a 230 460 volt motor, currently wired for 460 volt operation. A makeshift mechanical brake has been added to slow down the roll. This is a clearance item.